8:30. So अभी मैं पानी गर्म कर रही हूँ. पानी गर्म हो गया पीऊँगी मस्त. Then I'll have some tea sometime later, and then right now I'll go enjoy this one warm glass of water outside, and I'll show you the view. Okay, let's go out. The sun is out now. I think I'll go and sit right there with my warm, rather hot glass of water. Can you listen? Can you hear the sound of the river? The sound actually puts me to sleep every night here. So peacefully here. I sleep so well. And the lovely mountains. I think I've started to obsess over mountains and the sun more than the clouds now. Because it's a plain, wonderful sky. Look at that. The sun. It's right in front of the room. Wow. Okay, let's go down and we'll sit there. So we'll just That's it. Let's go. Let's go. -4 degrees. People. -4. Let's go. यहाँ पे धूप अच्छी आ रही है. We could sit here. है ना? See that? Let's go by the river. It's right here. That is the property. And right here is the river. It's a long river. Let's go to the old Manali bridge. These are all stay options that you can consider for any time you're planning to come this side. Look at the mountains there. The sun, man, the sun. See? Just see, I was talking about German bakery, right? Whoa, graffiti. This is the old Manali bridge, and I'll show you this side of the river. Let's take a look. You can also see some snow right there. It's in small bits and pieces, but it's been there for quite a few days now when it snowed the last time. So the river bridge is done. I'm having my warm glass of water while I'm moving around. I think this is something I have never tried, at least not at such places, roaming around with a glass of water. But yeah, it's so exciting, it's so refreshing, and it sets the mood right for entire day. So if you see, there's barely anybody on the street right now, which is so good. And I got up, yeah, -4 degrees. Now it's like, it feels like, oh, the same usual in mornings. Wow. It's just, wow. Third day here, third day, second early morning. Can I just get some more of it? The sun. Okay. Wow. Now heading back to the place. Let's see. पीछे साइड पे एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या है. For now. Well, it's a lovely time to be here in Manali. If you guys are actually planning on to coming to Manali, this is the time. It's expected that it's actually, the forecast says that it is going to snow in a few days here, and I'm really excited for that, and I'm hoping that it does, because live snow is something that I have not experienced ever in my lifetime. Okay, wait, where are we? Can you see this? The water is so fresh, and I'm sure it is freezing cold. Yeah, so I was saying, मैंने live snow ऐसे snowfall कभी नहीं देखी है, and I'm hoping that it snows very soon. अब क्योंकि मैं फ्रेश सब हो चुकी हूँ, and I have had a small little decent walk here, I'm thinking that I should find a place where I can find more sun and sit, and that is possible, I think, right outside my room. So I'm going to head back to the hotel, because the thing is here, so I put up on the first floor, and the sun comes there, like direct sunlight, and wow, I already feel a little breathless. It's really cold. I'll go upstairs. See the sun. Okay, this is also better. We can talk here. So it is day 3, and I'm really excited to see what new food I'm gonna try here, and which new cafe I'm gonna go today. So last night the dinner was done over here only in the hotel dining area. There's a small little cute restaurant here. So today I'm thinking of trying some other place. Let's see. Let's hope we find something nice and yummy around. Hello guys. guys. So my tea is ready and I'm gonna have some rusk and then I'm gonna get on with my rest of the day. आज भी ऑफिस है, but office and the view. Oh my god. What is that? Wait, I'll show you. Do you guys see there's some smoke coming out from there? Wow. Okay. Well, I'm going to focus on my tea and rest and I'm going to enjoy. And I have to get on with the rest of my day. And the sun is here. Right. Relieved. Soaking some sun. Because right after 2 or 3 o'clock, there's no sunlight. So, or rather, direct sunlight. So, making the most of it right now. Hello guys, so now I'm heading out for lunch and I'm going to check out some new cafe today. It seems there's some really nice cafe nearby which is popular for its thalis. Thali, veg thali, non-veg thali. So we are probably going to try that. But let's see. I hope we find something very, very nice to eat. And the weather here right now, it's still sunny right now. It's about 2 o'clock or something right now. And we're going to have lunch. Or let me show you around. See, it is sunny a little. And although it is quite cold, when you it feels cold, but there is good sun there. Let's run downstairs. Okay, so now I'm all set for lunch. Waiting for my girls to come down. And then we head for lunch. Hello. So, my girls are back. Say hi.
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm here. Hello.
आज भूख लग रही है अगेन. हमें दिन रात भूख लगती है. हम दिन में 3 बार की बजाय 4 बार खाना पसंद करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी आज क्या खाएंगे. आज हम कुछ थाली ट्राई करने वाले हैं.
लेफ्ट में ब्रिज क्रॉस कर लीजिए. 10 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे.
एंड इट्स गुड सन. वाओ, आज का मौसम एज यूजुअल बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. सो आई थिंक we're going to have a lovely time. Let's cross and run. See, so we are now on the other side of the bridge. That is where our hotel is and we've crossed that bridge. Now we are going in this direction.
क्योंकि अब लेट हो गया. सबने धीरे किया.
Okay. Now ये देखो. So guys, this place is about 500 to 600 meters from our hotel, so we're going to walk. And like I showed you, there's a quite big forest area here of pine trees. It is of about 2 kilometers stretch. And मेरे पीछे का व्यू, मेरे साइड वाला व्यू
अच्छा लग रहा है. अभी तो हम ऐसी
ये देखो. Whoa, this sea is so comfortable. I think all you need to be in mountain areas is a nice cap and some shades because धूप भी कड़क होती है, निकलती है तो. And it's a woolen scarf. It's a net woolen scarf. This was something that I had bought quite a few years ago when I went to Vaishno Devi, and I think finally it's coming handy one more time. So I think God is so good. Look what I found again. Such a cutie. Hello. Hi. So cute. So cute, so cute. I think there's so many dogs here. There's so, actually, look at this. There are like so many of them sleeping here. See, can you see? 1, 2, 3, and there's one inside that side also. 4. Wow. Dogs, cats, pets, you name it. I love them all. Look at the view of the snow-capped mountains. So guys, we've come a little ahead. There are so many mountains full of, covered with snow. I should show it to you, but I don't think so you'll be able to see right now. But I guess a little glimpse would be helpful. Alright, so we're almost about to reach the place we are planning to go for lunch. So let's see how this goes. So guys, after searching around for a few minutes, हमें finally जहाँ हमें आना था वो मिल गया है. And it's a nice, very local, small, little cafe kind, dhaba kind of a place. We're going to try some food here today. Let's see how that is. And भूख लग रही है यार, अब तो खाना चाहिए. We've been looking for this place for quite a few minutes. It seems there is waiting time. Already people are there and it's crowded. So थोड़ा रुक के फिर खाएंगे. You see this? It's a lovely place. This is a dhaba with a view. Seriously. So guys, अभी इंतज़ार हो गया है ख़त्म. Let's go inside. This is the place.
Hello.
दिख रहे हो, सब दिख रहे हो.
Guys,
Very small place and cute little place. Let's sit and so हमने खाना ऑर्डर कर दिया है and look what we've got.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा कुछ किया था ऐसा हल्का फुल्का, तो अभी लंच ही कर रहे हैं. हमारा लंच अभी रीजनेबल.
वेज थाली, नॉन वेज थाली. So guys, मेरा खाना तो हो गया है. I'll show you the kitchen. It's very cute and the people are so good. एक बार देखो. ये है प्यारी सी किचन. और आप, ये है काका. इन्होंने खाना खिलाया हमें. बहुत प्यारा है खाना आपका सच्ची में. और काफ़ी रीजनेबल प्राइस पे है. इतना प्यारा, ऐसे घर का खाना लगा मेरे को. थैंक यू काका. और ये आपकी पूरी फैमिली, आप ही की फैमिली है? अच्छा, सही है, बहुत बढ़िया. It's a lovely small little kitchen. अच्छा सब लोग एक बार इस साइड देखोगे क्या? हेलो बोलते हैं सब लोग. चलो ठीक है. हेलो. Thank you. This is one of the most wonderful places I've visited here since I've come. I am going to highly recommend this place. वाओ, इतना बढ़िया खाना. और देखो मौसम का स्विच देखो यार. इट इज़, अभी सन गायब हो गया है और सिर्फ ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अब सन है. तो यहाँ पे जब तक रूम पे पहुँचेंगे तब तक इट विल ऑल बी वेरी कोल्ड. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड टू फील कोल्ड. नाउ वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू रन बैक टू होटल क्योंकि काम भी है और पेट तो भर गया है. बट इट इज स्टार्टेड टू बिकम वेरी कोल्ड ऑल ऑफ सडन. और खाना खा के तो ठंड वैसे भी ज़्यादा लगती है यार. हाय
कितने स्वीट काका हैं यार वो, उनकी पूरी फैमिली कितनी स्वीट है. मैंने उनसे पूछ के वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया, उन्होंने बोला हाँ हाँ ले लो. वीडियोस सो स्वीट. So guys, today was an eventful day, but the temperature has dropped drastically and it is about -4 degrees right now, and it is going to reduce further and it's going to touch -7 over the night. So I'm hoping to get a good night's sleep, and in the meantime you guys go and enjoy your day and have a really good night. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Good night.